Well, good morning again. Last day of the first week of the new term. And here I am, I'm sat in my office. There's all my hippos and all my different animals on the window ledge. And it's really quiet in school again today because there'll only be the children that are coming in for the childcare and a couple of staff. I think Mrs. Boller and Mrs. True are in today. Thank you so much to all of the parents that have sent photographs and they've sent emails in telling me how kind you've been and how wonderful you've been at getting on with your home learning. I have been so impressed with all of the different things, all the different activities you have been involved with, and the kindnesses you have been showing to your parents, to next door neighbours, to other family members, to people you've never met, even writing letters to people. It's wonderful to see how kind we are. Now this morning we'll also be making sure that we send off our donation to the food bank, which is at the front of school at the moment, and there's an awful lot being sent in already. We've got until this afternoon and then I'll take it down. But thank you so much for showing how much Trumica cares about the whole community. Now it is Friday, it is Star of the Week, and it's a slightly different one because we're not here. But what I've done is I've put together a short film, say short, there's an awful lot of pictures in there, to show what other people have been doing, and it might give inspiration to you or to your family of different things you can be doing and different kindnesses you can be showing. So thank you very much for sending all of these things in. Thank you still for being such wonderful Trumicarians. Keep it up, stay safe, stay indoors, protect the NHS. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care.
I've made this kind of egg flyer, that's what we're going to call it, that I'm going to throw out this window, and I'm hoping the air resistance, when it's going to slow it down by using these parachutes, and it's going to act against the force of gravity, and it's going to be cushioned by this bubble wrap that I put underneath it, and it's also a little pilot.
Go. Come on then.
Okay. Just
Oh,
tip it upside down, see if any yolk's coming out.
You need to carefully unwrap it.
I'll put
See whether it's. This is not a boiled egg. This is a.
This is a
Tell you what, we'll
raw
have to. I'm
egg.
going to pause this and then we'll come back to it once it's been taken.
Mission accomplished. Mr. Pilot is safe.
Mr. Pilot is safe. Well done.